Hurricane Irma, a potentially catastrophic Category 5 catastrophe wavering in the Atlantic, is gaining steam as it heads toward the Leeward Islands, Puerto Rico, and parts of Florida. And this monstrous storm could punch. The maximum sustained winds of Hurricane Irma have been recorded at an incredible speed of 185 miles per hour, 296 kilometers per hour. After skirting Puerto Rico last night, Irma's eye is moving west-northwest at 17 kilometers per hour from the northern coast of Hispaniola that is divided into Haiti and the Dominican Republic and bound for the Turks and Caicos Islands. Tonight, the storm is expected to pass near southeastern Bahamas, before moving to the central Bahamas by Friday. Category 5 hurricane is packing winds of 180 mph, 295 miles per hour. On Wednesday, Irma wreaked havoc on the Caribbean island of Barbuda, leveling 95% of its buildings and leaving the island barely visible. The eye of Hurricane Irma, still a Category 5 storm with winds of about 180 mph, 290 km per hour, moves west-northwest of the northern coast of the Dominican Republic. The storm is located about 155 kilometers north of Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, and about 335 kilometers east-southeast of the island of Grand Turk.